Welcome to this Metricom Explainer. Today, we're looking at how water safety literally prevents widespread community disease. See, when water is contaminated, diseases spread like wildfire through schools and hospitals before anyone even notices. Forget about just fixing leaky pipes. We've got to view water management as frontline preventative healthcare for our communities.
It becomes a huge health risk if control breaks down anywhere along the chain, from source to tap.
Okay, let's dive into this. There are three main categories of technical water contamination risks we gotta manage. First up, microbiological. Think nasty, invisible bugs like E. coli spreading right through your shower heads and drinking fountains. Second is chemical contamination. Hazardous stuff like lead and heavy metals can silently sneak into the water supply. Third, operational failures. Even perfectly treated city water turns toxic if building tanks are dirty or filters aren't changed. So what does this all mean? How do we actually stop these invisible dangers from reaching our communities? We need a structured water safety plan. Doing some random testing and annual tank cleaning just won't cut it. Real prevention means mapping every single plumbing part and totally securing your vulnerable storage tanks from outside contamination.
You also need smart monitoring for things like chlorine. Plus, you absolutely must flush stagnant water from unused pipes.
And we gotta sanitize those often overlooked devices to prevent cross-contamination. Yep, that includes office water coolers and ice machines. Keep in mind, bad water can instantly wreck food safety in any restaurant, catering unit, or school cafeteria. Facilities must have an incident response plan ready and keep meticulous records to hold themselves accountable. This is absolutely crucial because a weak water system hits the most vulnerable folks, like kids and patients, the hardest. Ultimately, proper safe water management is our best public health tool. It stops disease before anyone even hits the clinic. So, think about your own taps. Is your water just a utility, or is it literally preventative healthcare?